Good morning, my dear children. This is the continuation module of SQL unit. In this unit, we are going to discuss about sorting of table data. What is the meaning of sorting? It is nothing but arranging the data in a particular order. We can arrange the data either in ascending or in descending order. Let us discuss how to sort table data using SQL queries. By default, records will come in the output in the same order in which it was entered. To see the output rows in sorted or in arranged, either in ascending or descending order, SQL provides a clause called order by. By default, output will be ascending order. To see output in descending order, we use DESE. That indicates descending order clause with order by. My dear children, look at the example. Select a star from employee, order by name. So by default, it is ascending only. So we need to give order by clause at the last only. Here, according to the name, that is in the alphabetic order, it will display the output. Look at the next one. Order by salary, descending order. So, it will choose the entire record according to the lowest salary at the last, highest salary at the top. Then we can also give arrangement for two or more columns by separating it by comma. Look at the third example. Select a star from employee, order by, DAPT in ascending order, salary in descending order. By default, the compiler will do the first arrangement using the department is in the ascending order, AESC. Then again it will sort with the salary. So as a net effect, we will get the rows in descending order of salaries. Look at the table given. That is a table of student. Look at the syntax of order by. Select column name or column names from table name, work condition. Finally only we will give order by clause. Here work clause is optional. If we need, we can add. To display the roll number, name and marks of the students on the basis of their marks in ascending order. Select roll number, name, marks from student, order by, name here given. If you want to give as order by mark, the only thing we need to change is instead of name, we need to give marks. That's all. Look at the second example given. To display the roll number, name and mark of all the students in the descending order of their marks and ascending order of their names. So we need to keep two columns by separating by comma. Look at the example given. Order by marks, DESE, comma, name. No need to give order by again. The only thing we need to separate columns by comma. If a column alias is defined for a column, it can be used for displaying rows in ascending order or descending order using order by clause. Here, look at the example given. Select roll number, name, mark as marks obtained. Here we are using mark as mark obtained. In the output, we will get only roll number, name and marks obtained. So that mark, that is the alias name of the column name can also be used with the order by clause. Look at the last line. Order by marks obtained. Here marks obtained is the alias name of marks column. I think you are all clear about how to sort data using order by clause along with the ascending ASC and descending DESC. Thank you.